यो हेरौं एक पटक खुसी हुँदै happily ऊ खुसी हुँदै करायो He shouted happily He shouted happily खुसी happy अरू रिसाउँदा ऊ खुसी हुन्छ He is happy when others get angry He is happy when others get angry नराम्रो bad ऊ तिमीले सोचेको जस्तो नराम्रो छैन He's not as bad as you think He's not as bad as you think. उनी खराब छिन् भनेर सोच्छौ भने तिमी गलत छौ If you think she is bad, you are mistaken. If you think she is bad, you are mistaken. त्यति धेरै That much. म त्यति मूर्ख छैन I am not that foolish. I am not that foolish. यहाँ that मात्र भनियो र that मात्र भन्दा त्यति भन्ने अर्थ लाग्छ I am not that foolish. मलाई त्यो किताब त्यति धेरै मन परेन I didn't like the book that much. I didn't like the book that much. के तपाईले साँच्चै यसको लागि त्यति धेरै तिर्नुभयो? Did you really pay that much for it? Did you really pay that much for it? म विश्वास गर्न सक्दिन कि तपाईले त्यति धेरै तिर्नुभयो I can't believe you paid that much. I can't believe you paid that much. यहाँ paid मात्र भन्दा पैसा तिरेको अर्थ जनाउँछ paid money भनिरहनु पर्दैन paid मात्र भन्दा पनि त्यही नै अर्थ लाग्ने हो You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. आउनुहोस् आज यसरी नै सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण अंग्रेजीको अभ्यास गरौं Let's continue. नत्र or else चाँडै गर नत्र ढिलो हुनेछौ Hurry up or else you'll be late. Hurry up or else you'll be late. चुप लागेर बस नत्र Just shut up or else. Just shut up or else. मलाई पैसा देऊ नत्र Give me the money or else. Give me the money or else. धम्की दिनको लागि यसरी प्रयोग गरिन्छ Give me the money or else. चाँडै गर नत्र हामी रेलगाडी छुटाउने छौं Hurry up or else we'll miss the train. Hurry up or else we'll miss the train. ट्रेन, बस इत्यादिलाई मिस गर्नु भनेको छुट्नु हो Hurry up or else we'll miss the train. उसले ऋण तिर्नु पर्छ नत्र जेल जानु पर्छ He must pay the debt or else go to prison. He must pay the debt or else go to prison. D-E-B-T, debt. Debt होइन, debt. He must pay the debt or else go to prison. काम अथवा काम गर्नु Work. यो गाह्रो काम हो It's difficult work. It's difficult work. उसले कसको लागि काम गर्छ? Who does he work for? Who does he work for? पत्ता लगाउनु अथवा थाहा पाउनु म सत्य कुरा पत्ता लगाउने छु I will find out the truth. I will find out the truth. म उनको रहस्य पत्ता लगाउने छु I'll find out her secret. I'll find out her secret. हाम्रो बारेमा कसरी थाहा पायौ? How did you find out about us? How did you find out about us? म सत्य कुरा पत्ता लाउन उत्सुक छु I am curious to find out the truth. I am curious to find out the truth. उत्सुक, curious. अब हामी curious को पनि वाक्यहरू हेरौं तर त्यसअघि यदि तपाईहरुले यस च्यानल र हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लासलाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने सब्स्क्राइब गर्न अवश्य नछुटाउनु होला दुवै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई बजाउन पनि अवश्य नछुटाउनु होला उत्सुक curious अब के हुन्छ जान्न म उत्सुक छु I am curious to know what will happen next. I am curious to know what will happen next. उनले कस्तो प्रतिक्रिया दिनेछिन् भनेर म उत्सुक छु I am curious about how she will react. I am curious about how she will react. विश्वास गर या नगर अथवा पत्याउ या नपत्याउ Believe it or not. विश्वास गर या नगर उ भरोसा गर्ने लायक छैन Believe it or not, he is not trustworthy. Believe it or not, he is not trustworthy. Trustworthy भनेको विश्वास गर्ने लायक Believe it or not, he is not trustworthy. विश्वास गर या नगर उ यस्तै हो Believe it or not, that's how he is. Believe it or not, that's how he is. तिमी पत्याउ या नपत्याउ उसको बानी राम्रो छैन Believe it or not, his habits are not good. Believe it or not, his habits are not good. तिमी पत्याउ या नपत्याउ उसले तिमीलाई माया गर्छ Believe it or not, he loves you. Believe it or not, he loves you. पत्याउ या नपत्याउ उसले मलाई बिहे गर्न आग्रह गर्यो Believe it or not, he asked me to marry him. Believe it or not, he asked me to marry him. Marry भनेको बिहे गर्नु Believe it or not, he asked me to marry him. तिमी विश्वास गर या नगर उसले यस्तै भनेको थियो Believe it or not, that's what he said. Believe it or not, that's what he said. विश्वास गर या नगर हामी विवाह गर्दैछौं Believe it or not, we're getting married. Believe it or not, we're getting married. Getting married भनेको विवाह गर्दै छौं. Believe it or not, we're getting married. Be sure to like and share this video. Video like र share गर्न नछुटाउनु होला. समय बित्दै जाँदा. As time goes by. समय बित्दै जाँदा तिमीले आफैले यो सिक्नेछौ. You will learn that for yourself as time goes by. You will learn that for yourself as time goes by. समय बित्दै जाँदा यो सजिलो हुँदै जानेछ. It will get easier as time goes by. It will get easier as time goes by. त्यसैले समय बित्दै जाँदा सबै कुरा बदलिनेछ. So as time goes by, everything will change. So as time goes by, everything will change. समय बित्दै जाँदा मेरो स्मरण शक्ति झन बिग्रदै गएको जस्तो लाग्छ. As time goes by, my memory seems to get worse. As time goes by, my memory seems to get worse. समय बित्दै जाँदा मैले सबै कुरा बिर्सिएँ. As time went by, I forgot everything. As time went by, I forgot everything. यहाँ when प्रयोग गरियो past जनाउनको लागि. As time went by, I forgot everything. ढिलो हुन लागेको अथवा भइरहेको. Running late. मलाई ढिलो भइरहेको छ त्यसैले म पछि कुरा गर्नेछु. I'm running late, so I'll talk to you later. I'm running late, so I'll talk to you later. Getting late. ढिलो भइरहेको अथवा ढिलो हुन लागेको. मलाई ढिलो भइरहेको छ त्यसैले म पछि कुरा गर्नेछु. I'm getting late, so I'll talk to you later. I'm getting late, so I'll talk to you later. Running late, getting late. जुन प्रयोग गरे पनि भयो. I'm getting late, so I'll talk to you later. अब अर्को पनि वाक्य. हामी अब जानु पर्छ. ढिलो हुँदैछ. We have to go now अथवा we've got to go now. It's getting late. We have to go now. It's getting late. घर जाऊ. ढिलो हुन लागिसक्यो. Let's go home. It's getting late. Let's go home. It's getting late. ढिलो हुँदैछ. ढिला नगर. It is getting late. Don't delay. It is getting late. Don't delay. ढिलो हुन लाग्दैछ. चाँडो गर. It's getting late. Hurry up. It's getting late. Hurry up. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला. Take care. Have a beautiful day.